Viewers, and this is latest news. The holding control over Tanaka Masahiro next move after leaving Rakuten. The true feelings of his silent older wife, Mai Satoda. I have been based in Tokyo for several years, and she also starting her own brand. They exclusively obtained to Cruel major entertainment agency that they represent Norika Fujiwara and Marika Shinoda goes bankrupt letter of severance sent to talents. The notice was signed by the company representative director and the president Takahashi Yotaka and stated, "We are very sorry, but our company has fallen into debt." And so on November 25, 2024, we filed a petition for the commencement of the bankruptcy proceeding with the Tokyo District Court.